Today we have the Microsoft Surface Headphones 2. We're going to do an in-depth review and microphone test, so stay tuned. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Drew, and this is the channel Headset Advisor, where we do in-depth reviews and comparisons of all things related to business headsets, speakerphones, and webcams. So do me a favor and hit the like button, subscribe, and hit the bell notification for more videos just like this. As a quick sample, this is how the microphone sounds on the Microsoft Surface Headphones 2 when you're in a quiet room. Stay with me though, because soon we're going to do a microphone test with a bunch of noise going on. Right now, we're going to go ahead and throw up the tech specs on the screen for you to look over. Feel free to pause the video and then continue with me. My initial thoughts when I first took the Surface Headphones 2 out of the box is they look nice, and when I put them on, they're extremely comfortable. You can adjust the headband, it fits nice on top of the head, and the cushions are extremely soft. So you should be able to wear the Surface Headphones 2 for many hours throughout the day. These headphones fully enclose your ears so you can zone in on your calls and meetings or music and block out all of the background distractions. You also have active noise cancellation built into the speakers. If you rotate the dial on the headset forwards, it's going to increase the ANC. If you rotate it backwards, it's going to open up the microphones on the outside of the speakers so you can hear what's going on around you without having to constantly remove your headphones and put them back on. The Surface Headphones 2 pair up with your mobile phones and your computers that have Bluetooth built in. If your computer doesn't have Bluetooth, these headphones are not going to work unless you have a separate Bluetooth type adapter that plugs into your computer. The Surface Headphones 2 use a USB-C port for charging, and included is a 3.5mm adapter so you can plug in these headphones to be used as a wired headset on your mobile phones, computers, or tablets. The MSRP of the Surface Headphones 2 is $249.99, but visit us on the headsetadvisor.com website or visit the link in the description below and use coupon code YouTube for your additional discount. Now what we're going to do is pair the headphones back to our computer, and then we're going to run through a number of microphone tests with noise going on, and then by the end of it, you can be the judge for yourself on how the Surface Headphones 2 perform. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. The blue whale is the largest animal on the planet, weighing up to 150 tons and measuring up to 90 feet long. Naturally, an animal this massive would have an equally huge heart. Roughly the size of a small car, the blue whale's heart weighs about 1,300 pounds. To move blood through its colossal body and arteries, its heart beats so powerfully you can hear it from 2 miles away. You just might miss it though, as its heart only beats 8 to 10 times per minute. Overall, the Surface Headphones 2 are going to be great for those of you that want a pair of headphones to block out the background noise and zone in on your calls, meetings, or music. That being said, if calls and meetings are most important to you and you want to be heard as clear as possible to people on the other end, then I would guide you toward a different model, especially at this price point. If you're looking for another pair of headphones to consider to compare against the Surface Headphones 2, there's going to be another video right up here for you to check out. I think you'd find it very helpful. That's it for now. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to see more videos like this. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.